cocktail series. In this vlog, I am going to show you some easy drinks that you can do at home. I am also going to show you the glass that you are going to use, the tools, the liquors, and also on how to decorate your glass or your drinks. So let's start! We're gonna need a shaker. Nice. Then 2 ounces of banana cream. Smell banana. Smell good. And 2 ounces of vodka. A whipped cream. Shake, shake, shake first. An orange juice. Two ounces also of peach schnapps. And a drop of grenadine. Then shake, shake, shake. Then we are going to use this glass and ice. Then put it here. That, and we are going to put it voila! The monkey beer. Don't forget guys, don't drink and drive.